For this project, I'm using red heart. It's a wrap rainbow, and it's really beautiful. And the color is Fiesta, I believe so. And yeah, it's my first time working with this yarn. So it's 4 strands, and I use 1 skein for this project, and 3.5mm crochet hook, and you will need scissors as well. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first I'm gonna make slip knot, and then we're gonna make 84 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so just keep making the chains, and I will meet you guys when you have 84 chains. Alright, so I have 84 chains, and then next we're gonna make 3 double crochet into the 6th chain from hook. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 double crochet in there, yarn over, insert the hook into the 6th chain, pull up the loops, sorry. This first double crochet, this is 2nd double crochet, and 3rd double crochet, and then you're gonna chain 3 and make 3 more double crochets into the same space. Okay, and then skip 2 stitches. So the first one is kinda difficult to see, so be careful, okay? So skip 1 and 2, and then 1 double crochet into next stitch right here, and then double crochet into next stitch. We're gonna make a double crochet into each stitch. Okay, so you just keep making the chain in each stitch till you have 6 stitches left, and then I will meet you guys there. And now I have 6 stitches left, and then we're gonna make like this pattern here. Okay, so skip 2 stitches, so 1 and 2, and then 3 double crochet into next stitch. And then chain 3, and 3 more double crochets into the same space. And then skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2, and double crochet into the next stitch, which is the last stitch for this row. Okay, this what it look like. See this pattern? Same that when we start right here. Okay, and then next you're gonna chain 3 and then turn. You can turn first and chain, or chain first and turn, doesn't matter. And then make 3 double crochet into the chain space here. And then chain 3, and 3 more double crochets into the same space. So one thing I forget to tell you guys here, so my double crochet stitches from here all the way down to here, I have 70 double crochet stitches. So make sure every row you will have the same, okay? Like, and make sure every row I have 70 double crochet stitches. Okay. And then next we're gonna make double crochet into each double crochet stitches from the pivot row. See, this is the first stitch. Just normal double crochet. Oops. Alright, so just keep making double crochet into each stitch till you come right here. Alright, and I will meet you guys there. Okay, that's what it look like. And I have 70 double crochet stitches. This part, you see, like I tell you. And then next, make 3 double crochet into the chain space. And then chain 3. And 3 more double crochets into the same space. Oops. Alright, and then make double crochet into this stitch. I hope you can see. You can turn it over too. You see this stitch right here, before the first double crochet that we did from the pivot row. Okay, now we have 2 rows, so from now on we just gonna repeat row 2 over and over. Okay, do the same, chain 3, turn it over, and then make 3 double crochet into the chain space. And chain 3, and 3 more double crochets into the same space. And then double crochet into each double crochet stitches from the pivot row. The first stitch is right here. Okay, so you just keep making this till you come right here, and I will meet you guys there. Alright, so we're gonna do the same. We're gonna make 3 double crochet into the chain space. And then chain 3. 3 more double crochets into the same space. And make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain that we did here. Okay, this is what it looks like. So like I said, we're just gonna repeat the same pattern over and over. Okay, but make sure the double crochet stitches in the middle here, make sure you have the same 70 double crochet stitches. Okay, alright, so you just keep repeating this pattern. For me, I make a total of 79 rows. Okay, if you want longer, you can add more rows. Alright, and for row 79 I make just a little bit different, and then I will show you guys how I do that. Alright. Okay, so now I have 78 rows, and I will show you guys my last row, which is the row 79. Okay, so this is the end of row 78. Okay, so row 79, you're gonna chain 5 and then single crochet into the chain space right here, 1 single crochet, and then chain 2, and then double crochet into each double crochet stitches right here. We're gonna do the same this part, and double crochet into next stitch, and double crochet into next stitch. Okay, so you just make double crochet into each stitch till you come right here, and I will meet you guys there. Okay, so when you come right here, and then next we're gonna chain 2 and then 1 single crochet into the chain space, and then chain 2 and make 1 double crochet into the third chain that we did right here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna chain 1 to lock the yarn, and then you just cut the yarn and weave the end, and we done. Yay! This what this look like. So yeah, congratulations. You see how the color is changing? I love it so much. And I love this yarn. It's my first time working with this yarn, and I love it so much. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.